The AICPA Audit and Accounting Practice Aid, establishing and maintaining a system of quality management for a CPA firm's accounting and auditing practice, will help practitioners design, implement, and operate a system of quality management for their firm's accounting and auditing practice. Since your new QM system is about tailoring your policies and procedures for your firm, the interactive PDF comes in two versions, for sole practitioners and for small and medium-sized firms. Download the version most appropriate for your firm. Also, download the accompanying Excel spreadsheet. This file, called Example Risk Assessment Template, gives you a starting point for the risk assessment of the relevant quality management system components. Now that you've downloaded the practice aid and tool, here's our suggested process for using them. 1. Read Chapter 1, Overview of Statement on Quality Management Standards Number 1 to get familiar with SQMS Number 1. 2. Read Chapter 2, Overview of Risk Assessment Requirements to understand better the requirements of the risk assessment process component that your firm should establish and perform. 3. Familiarize yourself with the layout of Chapter 3, Library of Quality Objectives, Potential Risks, and Potential Responses. This chapter addresses the component subject to the risk assessment process. Tables 1 are the required quality objectives pre-populated in the Example Risk Assessment Template. 4. After reading the quality objectives, consider the potential quality risks illustrated in Tables 2. Copy the risks you believe are applicable, or can be modified to be applicable, to the nature and circumstances of your firm. Then paste them in the Excel spreadsheet under the related component objectives. Modify the risk as appropriate based on the nature and circumstances of your firm. 5. Determine if a risk is a quality risk by assessing the likelihood of the risk occurring and the impact that the risk could have, whether individually or in combination with other risks, on the firm achieving one or more quality objectives. 6. Tables 3 illustrates the required and suggested quality responses. The supplemental Excel spreadsheet is pre-populated with the required responses, and some suggested responses that may apply to many firms. 7. Copy and modify as needed the suggested responses that your firm believes will mitigate the firm's assessed quality risks. Your current quality control policies and procedures are another excellent resource for responses in your quality management system. 8. Perform a gap analysis by comparing your current quality control policies and procedures to the quality risks and responses you've documented in the supplemental Excel spreadsheet. Then, consider if some policies or procedures should be added or removed. Note, this is not a complete picture of an established quality management system. The evaluation and monitoring of the system will need to be established and documented. Chapter 4, Monitoring and Remediation Process, will help you with that. You are now ready to implement your firm's new quality management system. For more information and resources, visit aicpa-cma.com/auditqm.